We heard an explosion on the way up. I just found it. It's our bag of potato chips, popped. The other one is really full, as you can see. I'm looking for the Pringles because I also had a bag of Pringles. It looks like it's still sealed. Yeah, Pringles are fine. We're up in Big Bear, came out to the village. Most of the stores are still closed.
Everything clearly opens at 11
It's
o'clock.
10:45 a.m. Sunday morning. Some things are closed, there's bubbles. And some places are saying that they open at 11. But right now there's a lot of cloud cover, so it's not so hot. So we thought we'd come up and walk through the village now. We're going to the Crow's Nest and take a look around.
Enter into go to sixflags.com to buy now.
Shop.
Ah, Village Sweet Shop. We like it in here. Let's go take a look. They always got good stuff in here. Tap the glass. Scares the gelato. No sampling. You always got one in the crowd. Interesting. Yeah.
That cross that street.
Oh,
But
that could be.
The pirate thing used to be down here.
Right.
That's the store.
They have adorable bear stuff here. These are all made by local artists. There's the Leather Depot. Cute little bird. Shirt shanty.
Spiderweb.
I know, I felt that too.
Here if they're open. So I guess I'll stay outside.
What?
That's not allowed.
Oh, pets are not allowed in this gift shop. This gift shop is pet friendly. They welcomed Waffles in, so we came in to shop.
I'm looking for
More
Choo-Choo.
cute bear stuff in here. They've got great chimes. I'm interested. I like this one right here. With the trailer. Where we going now?
We're going to cross. We're going to way down that way.
Oh boy.
When we get to the Scooby DI store, we'll go in there.
Yeah. They have these fire pits throughout the village that during the winter they're lit up. I don't know if they light them up during the summer.
Yeah, I don't know. We've been here in the spring, they've been lit up.
Yeah. Village Sports Bar. This is Big Bear Superstore. It says it's pet friendly, which means we will go in and take a look. Cool bear. go hypoglycemic if you don't feed them. So we need to get her to eat. This is the lodge at Big Bear Lake. Village Pizza over here on the right is awesome. We usually get their pizza when we come up here. It's next to the liquor store here. We've got a bit of a parking problem now though, because they put in a bunch of electric car chargers and took out parking spots. So I don't know where you park if this parking lot's full. So here's the parking lot I'm talking about. They've got a bunch of handicap spots, 4 chargers, and a few spots to park. I don't know where you park if that's full. Maybe over here in the dirt? I don't know. It's 11:46 a.m. on Sunday, 81 degrees. As you can see, cloudy. This is monsoonal stuff. Bowling barn. And we're going back to the hotel to try and get the dog to eat. So we come back to the hotel. Can't get in the door. Our keys have been turned off. The girl comes up and says she blocked our keys. Why? Nobody knows. But hopefully she's going to fix them and bring them back. We are at Village Pizza so that we can pick up pizza for lunch, and we'll probably have some for dinner as well. So this is what we got at Village Pizza. We got pizza, we got ranch, we got potato wedges, and some very soggy, not really cooked onion rings.
Following county, San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 5 p.m. PDT. At 1:50 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include 29 Palms, 29 Palms Base, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, and Joshua Tree. This includes State Route 62 in San Bernardino County between mile marker 16 and 37.
So we came down to Big Bear Lake, take a look around. People out here boating. There's our observatory over here. So I just got a lightning alert on my watch. So that's the storm that's coming at us. You can see there's thunderheads building over here. It's dark and cloudy over here. This might get interesting. Driving around the Big Bear area now, we were trying to see what's going on with the storm that's coming in. It's getting more gloomy the closer we get to this end of the city. We were out at the lake. We watched a guy and his dogs play in the lake for a little while. Let you guys look out the window for a little bit. Look at some of the cute cabins. Some of them are very typical cabins. Some of them look more like homes. There's some log cabins up here, and then just wood-sided ones. Storm is brewing. We were hoping for some thunder and lightning and rain, but so far, nothing. Just clouds. Okay, we've got a torrential downpour. We've had 5 or 6 raindrops now. Here we go, folks. We found the rain. Got our wipers going. They have a flat. That sucks. Hoping for some lightning right in front of us. Oh, now we're going to turn away from that area.
Turn back.
This is Baldwin Lake, which you can tell is pretty darn dry. Maybe they'll get some water today if we get substantial rain. Watch out the window here, see if we can catch any lightning bolts. We've seen a few. I'm trying to find a place to pull over and watch, but so far no luck with that.
Houses and stuff.
There's lightning like right out on this side here.
Get out towards the lake a little bit.
Cute log cabin over this way. Bunch of cars coming through here. Lightning should be right in front of you now, maybe. That's where it was the last couple bolts anyway, so we're hoping it's going to stay right in front of us. Now we wait. Hopefully we catch some lightning.
But I saw a flash
Oh, where am
just over our heads.
I? Oh, so we might be right under it now, I guess. I didn't see anything out this window, but he saw something out the windshield.
No, that's why I pushed that, because if there was something that would have caught it. I saw something over there just now.
Where, this way?
It's like right there.
More to the right?
Yeah, more to the right, but it could have been a streak of water in the glass too, but it looked like a bolt. I don't hear any thunder. Where's that?
I don't either. Yeah, I haven't heard any thunder, but we're seeing lightning, so the lightning must be still off in the distance quite a bit. are you doing, puppy?
She's wearing my jacket would normally be, but oh, there's a good one right there.
This is a good storm. Light rain, nothing extreme, but good lightning show. Ooh, that was a good bolt.
That was a good one.
It's brought the temperature down pretty drastically. It's now 66 degrees. It was almost 90.
That was a bright flash.
Well,
You look at me like I make noises.
that was a good one.
Wow, that was... For sale by owner.
Big raindrops.
So, move back into it. Let's go down now. See the splashes on the street.
Yeah, big, huge raindrops.
There's a tree in the middle of the
So I think the thunderstorm is pretty much so past. It's now 59 degrees outside. So it went from almost 90, it was like 88, 89 degrees, down to 59 with a pretty good thunderstorm. That was pretty cool. Lots of lightning. A little bit of flooding behind us where we were. Not horrible, but definitely debris flow through the street going from one side of the street to the other. cabins.
And we're getting back into Big Bear City.
There's Big Bear Lake again. We got clouds behind us. And a little bit of cloudy, but some sunshine in front of us.
Thunderhead's over there.
And Thunderhead's brewing again over here. Hopefully that storm will go full circle and come back, because that was a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
That was a good thunderstorm. There's some ski slopes off to your right.
There's some up
Over
there,
here.
some over there.
Over here behind CVS. Once we get past that, you can see them. And there's some more over this way. So we drove into the storm and then we drove out of it. So what we're hoping is that the storm is heading towards the hotel. We're going to go stake out the hotel for a little bit and see if it comes to us.
San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8:15 p.m. PDT. At 5:08 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen.